Hey you're finally awake. And because you're awake, guess what I'll be doing? Making you blind by looking out the window, plus teaching you how to sleep. Because of course you want to know how to sleep, you've never done it in your life before. By the way, I'm currently having to hold the microphone of my what are they called? Headphones. With my hand, because what happens is I walk around and the microphone like rubs on my clothes, and like you can't hear my voice, right? And that's also why my hand is like this, right? So basically what you do is you look at a bed and you're like, damn, I really want to sleep in this bed. By the way, this is the this is the fourth take I'm doing, right? So once you look at your bed, you sit down at your destination. Then you lie down. You lie down, right? And by lying down, okay. So I've successfully fallen asleep.